ITDev are a design consultancy developing embedded software and FPGA designs. Today's event is a continuous integration workshop. It's an opportunity to get various different individuals together, practitioners who can share industry best practices. What we found is that there's a lot of people doing lots of different approaches to continuous integration, and what we're trying to do is to get them to share where they have gained some benefits from their approach and being able to share that with other peers in industry. We're also getting them to try and address what the common challenges are and how we can help resolve their day-to-day issues.
The style of the event is very much a workshop style, so we're starting out with some presentations from 4 companies talking about their challenges and experience. But then what we're also doing, following on from that, is to break out into some small groups of people collaborating, identifying initially what their challenges are, and then breaking out again and discussing how we can address those challenges.
I found today quite enlightening. It's nice to hear the views of other people who are in a slightly different environment to the one I'm in, which gives you a different scope and triggers ideas of things that you might want to look into in the future.
It's been nice to hear sort of longer presentations that go into a bit more depth, but also just talking to people and finding out about their experiences has been really interesting. I certainly would come again. It's been an enjoyable day.